The Raysoar optical fiber fusion splicer features a rear-mounted charging port and built-in battery for convenient portability. The power button is located on the right side of the device. After turning it on, long press the power button until the red indicator lights up and wait for startup. After startup, navigate through the menu interface to select splicing parameters according to fiber types. Then return to the main menu to activate the splicing interface. Insert the fibers into the splicing groove, ensuring their ends remain at least a safe distance apart. Cover the device to initiate automatic splicing. During and after the process, press the X/Y buttons to view splicing progress from different angles. Finally, open the cover and remove the fibers. Then the splicing operation is completed.